Hello, welcome back to Kiko Moon. So the camera might look a bit different today. I'm gonna try to film in cinematic mode just because I want to try out and see if I prefer that than the regular mode. I'm just gonna show you guys a few basics and like must-have from YesStyle. And I'm gonna start off with what I'm wearing. If you've seen my previous hauls, I have already shown this before, and recently I got this blouse, and this has been like on YesStyle's bestsellers list for like the longest time ever, but I never really got it because I wasn't sure that it was really my style. But the more I get to explore my style now, the more I realize that like it actually does suit me, and especially like how I do my hair now. So all I'm trying to say is that I got this blouse in white, and I also got this in brown, and I know for a fact I'm gonna be wearing this like during the spring and the summer all the time, paired with literally anything you want. I'm gonna be wearing mainly skirts and dresses, but you can definitely wear this with like casual pants and actually dressy pants as well. Right now I'm pairing this with this tank top, and it's just like this ruffled top. And actually this one I want to get this one in other colors as well, because I just find that the square neckline really suits my body. So I wanted to do like a different approach to my basic YesStyle videos. So here I'm just showing you guys how I would actually style this top. I would wear with like a cute knit cardigan, which is also part of my YesStyle basics, along with some white cargos. And I'm also pairing this with my favorite jewelries from Ana Luisa. You guys have already seen me wear their jewelries all the time. So like almost 90% of my jewelry collection are from Ana Luisa. I love decorating my ears. I wish I had more piercings. I actually got the K letter so I can eventually put it somewhere else. I'm gonna go into pants because I feel like a lot of you guys prefer pants over skirts. Since I've gotten this white pair of like cargo denim pants, I have only been wearing these ones whenever I needed white pants. They're just perfect. The cut is really great. It fits me, and it's like straight leg, and I just like the little details here. Like another pair of pants that I feel like is a must-have is this black kind of cargo pants. Not cargo, but just black pants, and the cut is a bit flared at the bottom, which I like. It really makes me look taller, and it fits nicely, but I am a bit skinny. Well, not skinny, but I wear usually like very small sizes, so I do find that this is a bit too big. So of course I'm pairing my pants with my ear cuffs because I just find that it completes the look with a messy bun, as well as this gorgeous contrasted hoodie, which I will be talking in detail a bit later on in this video. Now for skirts, I have tried a bunch of skirts from YesStyle, and let me tell you, for someone that wears extra small, it's very hard for me to find skirts that fit me. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones that actually fit my waist. This skirt fits me amazingly. There's nothing else to say. It fits me very well, and I really like the plate pattern on it. It might be a bit too young for my age now, but you know what, I'm still gonna be wearing this because I love it. I just love it. It used to have a pair of shorts inside, but I cut it out because I didn't find it very comfortable. Now I just wear like shorts and then I'll wear a skirt over it. I think this is the first skirt I've ever bought on YesStyle, and it was so affordable, like cheap for the price, and it had so many good reviews that I was like, okay, let me see if this is actually real, like if this is actually legit. And I still wear this skirt all the time. I find it so flattering. I like how it flares at the bottom. kind of similar to the other one, but not really. This is more gingham than plaid. So since there was already a lot of things going on my skirt, like the gingham detail and the ruffles, I've decided to tone it down with a regular white top along with accessorizing with my jewelries. So I'm wearing my letter necklace with the letter K along with my single letter stud K and my Antoinette cuff. And to top it off, I finally got my first good quality ring, which is this Regal ring with some little stars. YesStyle has a bunch of pleated skirts. I have this one in white. I also have it in other colors. They have a lot of options, and I will be linking all of the options down below. I am pairing this classic white tennis skirt with this bright red top that I will be talking in detail at the end of the video. I absolutely love this combination, and honestly gold looks best with red. So right here I'm wearing my letter necklace once again. I am also wearing my single letter stud K and my Antoinette ear cuff like usual. Honestly, this is like the combination I have like on a daily. I never really take these earrings off. I love them. I don't know what else to say, but anyways, I have a discount code linked in my description box down below. I love to wear like tank top and then like a jacket or whatever on top of it, and so I always like a good knit sweater to throw on top of it, and this one has been one of their like bestseller knit cardigans, and to be honest, like this is really good. Like it's surprisingly really well knitted, and I actually got a similar one from Pretty Little Thing, and it literally broke down after the first wash. But this one I've washed it multiple times and it still looks amazing. And I actually have this one in blue, like a darker blue as well, and I wear those two all the time. Okay, I rarely ever talk about sweats and hoodies because I'm just very picky with my sweats. I want them to be fully comfortable, and this hoodie from YesStyle is amazing in every aspect. It's so comfortable, it's very oversized, and like it really maintains its shape because of the fabric. I'm not sure what kind of fabric it is, but it does really maintain its shape. It doesn't really wrinkle, and I love the contrast in graphic right here. If you read this, it does not make sense at all, but the graphic is amazing. I love the contrast on like the orange on black contrast, which we don't really see very often. Now I'm gonna finish with some top, and mainly like not knit tops but like crop knit tops. I don't even know how to describe them, but the first one would be this one. I mean, it fits really well, the sleeves, which is I find always the most important part. I don't like when there's too much room in the sleeves. I like when they're tight and fitted, which is like exactly what it is right here. Similarly to the other one, but this is a more comfortable material, and this one is in a pink color, but they actually have like multiple other colors. This is like kind of a longer version and much more comfortable because it's like, I don't even know what kind of material it is, but I really like this one. And I don't really wear pink, but this is one of those exceptions. Ooh, I love this top because it makes my breast look so good, and it looks so good with the skirt. I'm wearing my Regal ring again and my regular earrings. So all the jewelries featured in this video are all from Ana Luisa. Thank you so much for sending me these lovely pieces, and make sure to check them out. I linked everything in my description box down below, and feel free to use my discount code. These are just perfect to layer. It's really perfect for school in my opinion, when it gets chilly in class. Like you can, like if it's a day that you know it's really hot outside and you want to wear a tank top, or you're scared that you're gonna freeze in class, this is just perfect because you just throw it on when you're inside and it's chilly and you're like studying at the library, and then when you step outside you can just like throw it into your bag, or you can just tie it around your waist and you're good to go, and it looks super cute. And I actually have this in other colors. I have this in white as well, in gray. So as you can see, this is like one of my must-have basics because I just find that it works with almost anything, and you can dress it up, dress it down, you know, whatever you want, whatever you feel like. And actually, since I have way too many of these, I'm thinking of selling them. I'm thinking of starting to sell my clothing maybe on Depop. Actually, Depop would be the optimal place. So if you're interested in buying any of these items, let me know in the comments down below, because it's just gonna give me a sign to actually start doing it, because I've been thinking about selling my things on Depop for a really long time, and I never had the motivation to do it because I felt like no one's gonna buy any of my clothes. It's this gorgeous ribbed kind of polo style V-neck long sleeve red top. Oh my god, I said too many words. I love how it fits, and I'm surprised that I haven't gotten this in other colors, but it fits like a glove. And if you're looking for this style type of shirt, definitely get this one. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like YesStyle basics video. I just wanted to share with you guys like my, you know, everything that like just like basics, because I feel like I've been pulling out a lot of more like intense or like particular items lately, and I just wanted to see if I should, and I just felt like I should like kind of chill down and show you guys like some more pairable and affordable pieces, especially if you still go to school. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.